Hi everybody, I'm Travis with Lansing Motorsports and Lansing Automart. You can find us online at lansingautomart.org and facebook.com/lansingautomart. Today I'm here with Brett. He's going to show us how to service a belt on a Buck 250 or Buck 250X.
The first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect your oxygen sensor. Next, you're going to want to remove the one bolt and two nuts that are holding the muffler on. Now you will need to remove the CV cover. To do this, you'll need to remove all the bolts, and then you will want to gently pry the cover off, making sure not to damage the gasket in between. With the cover removed, you'll want to remove the nut holding the primary clutch in place, then remove the outer portion of the primary clutch and the belt. Now you can remove the second half of the primary clutch, being careful to hold it together so the insides don't fall out of it. This would be a good time to inspect and clean any debris off of the parts before reassembly. Carefully take apart the primary clutch and clean any debris. Make sure not to drop any of the weights out of the clutch, and then put back together. Wipe any debris out of the CV cover, as well as clean the face of the primary clutch when reinstalling. You will need to put your hands behind the secondary clutch and pull it together in order to get the belt back inside. Be sure to get the washer all the way over the shaft before hand threading the nut back on to hold the primary clutch in place. We lost a piece of video here, but you want to use the spanner wrench that I'll show a picture of now to hold that primary clutch in place and tighten that nut down to spec. Now you want to turn the clutches to walk the belt as far out as possible on the secondary clutch. This is an important step to keep the belt from spinning when you first start the machine back up. Now you can reinstall the front of the CV cover. Start all the bolts by hand and tighten in a cross pattern to keep the CV cover from getting on crooked. Also, don't forget to put the top left bolt through your ground wire when reinstalling the cover. Now you can use a torque wrench to tighten the bolts down to spec. Next, you are ready to reinstall the muffler using the 1 bolt and 2 nuts to reattach it. Now you can reinstall the left rear tire and the repair is complete. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's recommendations on breaking in the belt so that you can properly seat it to the clutch. This video was filmed at our service center where we perform pre-delivery inspections as well as warranty and service work. You'll see here some Massimo T Boss 550s that we just got in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel to see more content like this. Thank you.